Hi, I'm Stavros and welcome to Motorexpo 2015 here in Canary Wharf in London. So let's go around now and have a look at some cars. And here we have the Tesla Model S. This particular model, the 85D. D stands for dual electric motor. It's capable of 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds with a power output of 329 brake horsepower. This is Mercedes-Benz S-Class Coupe, the S63. Its bi-turbo engine develops 585 brake horsepower, 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. And this model on display costs £146,000 sterling. I'm here now with Joe Hopkins in the new Lexus RCF. He's going to take me now for a spin in the passenger seat, and he's going to speak about the car and the engine and the spec. So Joe, in your own time, you can set off and we'll go for a spin in this fabulous car.
Okay, sure. So I'll just slide it into drive. I'm going to drive around in normal mode first. Just have a nice little cruise, because that's the beauty of this car. You can just sort of have a cruise. It's nice and smooth. And then you turn a couple of buttons and it turns into an absolute monster. Fabulous, fabulous car to drive. This is your standard model. There's a couple of options on this one. So the Mark Leveson sound system, which is ridiculously good value for money at just £1,000 option. 17 speakers, surround sound, and I've worked with several manufacturers over the year. It is the best one I've heard in a car. Probably the second best noise in a car though, as the engine, when you get it into sport mode, does sound very throaty.
Wow, that's wicked. 0 to 60 time, Joe, in
4.5 seconds.
4.5.
477 brake horsepower. 530 newton meters of torque. Rear wheel drive. The beauty of it is naturally aspirated, so the power is always there. You don't have to wait for a turbo to build up or charge to wind up. You've literally always got that 477 brake horsepower.
Yeah.
Wow!
Oh, I love it. It's fantastic.
Got a Tesla behind trying to keep up.
You might run out of steam before you do.
And that's the other thing as well. The miles per gallon, you can stretch it up to, I've had 38 to the gallon out of this one. A 5 litre V8 doing 38 miles to the gallon is, pretty good, because you can just switch it into eco mode, which alters the dash. And now we're just basically trying to go up into 8th gear as quick as possible, just to give that ultimate fuel saving.
I love it.
Sounds great, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Are you driving around all day?
Pretty much. I'm starting to get dizzy now, yeah.
Driving around Canary Wharf all day in a Lexus RCF.
It's a very hard life.
Jaguar have a nice display here today, and this is their new XE. This is the F-Type Project 7. And over here we have the F-Type R. And this car sounds fantastic. Volvo also have their brand new XC90 here. The XC90 on display here has a crystal white metallic paintwork. Its interior is blonde Napa soft leather. Its engine is a 4-cylinder inline 2-litre diesel with an 8-speed Geartronic gearbox. The XC90 range price is from £45,700 to £54,800. And beside the RS3 we have Audi's new TTS Coupe. This one develops 310 PS from its 2-litre TFSI engine and costs over £40,000. Let's have a look in the interior.
I'll be the one driving it.
So that's a look outside, guys. Let's now make our way inside to have a look at some very nice Ferraris and Lamborghinis and Rolls Royces. So as we make our way inside, guys, we've got a Porsche 911 GT2. Very nice. Over here we have a Ferrari 458 Speciale. And over here we have another 458 parked next to a 430 Scuderia. And here we have a Lamborghini Gallardo LP570 5.2 litre V10. This particular model cost about £164,000. Let's move along around the corner and have a look at some Rolls Royces. Here we have the Rolls Royce Wraith. Seen a couple of these in Monaco a few weeks back. You might have seen the video. They're very big and very expensive. This particular model cost £241,000. Here we've got a Lamborghini Aventador. And as we move on from the Aventador, we make our way over to this Mercedes Maybach. This Mercedes Maybach model is the 57. It's a 5.5 litre V12. This particular one was registered in 2006 and has only 24,000 miles on the clock, and it's for sale for £85,000. And we have a couple of Bentleys here.
5 seconds, alright.
And as we make our way over to a Lotus Evora. We also have a Lotus Exige, an Aston Martin V8 Vantage, and over here we have a Vanquish. And that's all I have time for you today, guys, here from Motorexpo 2015 in Canary Wharf in London. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos, and I'll talk to you again soon. Cheers.